What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some grilled salmon. If you like fish, it's a tasty dish, but we got to get started to get it done, baby. So let's roll! You heard right, baby. Grilled salmon. Now, this is going to cook really fast. We've went ahead and taken our big old salmon and taken the skin off of the top of it and cut it into fillets. Now, to take the skin off the top, all you really need to do is to get your knife, get a good sharp knife, and you want to cut underneath the skin, but you don't want to cut the meat. So, it's important that you take your knife and you kind of angle it just a little bit upwards, up towards the ceiling, baby. To the roof, raise the roof. And then you can get under there, and actually what I do, my method is, once I get a little bit of that skin pulled back, I'll go ahead and grab that old skin and just gently pull it back off of that old salmon there. Now, you want to be really careful because, like I said, fish, anytime you're dealing with fish, it's very fragile, baby. Very soft, it can crumble at any time. So you have to be very gentle with it, like a newborn baby. Yes. So, we went ahead and got our salmon skinned, we've got it cut into fillets, and now we can put it in our pan. Go ahead and set your pan on high. You can add a little bit of oil if you want to, just so they don't stick. But me, I've cooked salmon many times and I don't need no oil, baby. But it's not gonna hurt if you just take a little dab of it and put it in there just to kind of line the bottom of the pan. So, let's go ahead and take our salmon here. Be very gentle, like I said, because it's very fragile, baby. And place it gently into your skillet. Now, once you get that salmon in there, then we'll do what we always do. And what do we always do with everything we got? Salt and pepper, baby. Now, if I had some lemon pepper, I would probably go that way on this, but I didn't have any today, and I damn sure didn't want to go buy none. So I'm just going to take my old salt here and sprinkle some of that right on the top. Then we'll follow it up with some black pepper. Ground black pepper just for flavor. Yes, sir. And then, what I found in the back of the fridge, some lime juice, sir. Never hurts to have some lime juice. Because you know what? Like I said, I wanted that lemon pepper. Didn't have any. And some people use fresh lemon. Some people use lemon juice. I got lime juice. And that's going to work just as well. Just as long as you get a little bit of citrus flavor on there, baby. Just kind of make the sweet, sweet, sweet meat. Yes. And it also goes good in your beer. Thank you, baby. You are welcome, sir. So, we're going to put these in here. And like I said, fish cooks fast, baby. You got to watch it. You got to flip it soon. It's not going to take very long for it to cook. But that's the thing. You get told that fish cooks fast. Fish cooks fast. You got to watch it. You got to watch it. So some people have a tendency to flip it too early and take it out too early, and that'll cause it to break up or not be all the way done. And I can tell you that from experience, baby, because when I first started messing with this fish, I did the same damn thing. But you know what makes a piece of grilled salmon great is that little crispy bit on the outside, baby. That's what makes it all beautiful. You get the crispy on the outside, the juicy moist on the inside, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful thing, baby. The chicken of the sea. Well, not like that, but something like that for me. So, we're going to let these go a while. And about the time that they get good and golden brown, we can go ahead and pull them out of there, and you'll see a beautiful piece of salmon waiting for me. And I'll be damn ready to have that first bite. Alright, baby, the time has come. The grilled salmon is done, and I'm having the first bite for me. You know, this didn't turn out picture perfect like I wanted it to, but I gotta tell you something. It's still gonna be good eating, and that's something you need to learn too. When you make a recipe in somebody else's recipe, you may have high hopes for it, and you may say, oh, that doesn't look right, that doesn't look right. Wait till you taste it, baby. Because I can guarantee that this salmon here, with this little bit of, cheddar and broccoli rice that I made on the side, is gonna be just delicious. Oh yes, just like a salmon should taste. A little crunchy on the outside, a little soft on the inside, and lots of love put into it, baby. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.